Hi. So in this video, we are going to see the permanent central government jobs from the railway side, guys. So it is a very good and wonderful notification, okay, recruitment notification to the candidates who are having the graduation as well as the post graduation. So the 1,000+ vacancies are there, nearly 1,074 vacancies are there, and all these are the permanent jobs, guys, and you will get the pay scales also. And here the salary is up to 1,50,000 rupees per month is there. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of permanent government jobs, okay, and please watch this video until the end to get the complete details, okay. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon to get more notifications like this. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited. Okay, so it is under the government of India, guys. So here the recruitment notice came from this one. Okay, so here you may check down. The DFCCIL invites applications for the recruitment through online mode to the post of junior manager, executive and the junior executive in various disciplines as per the details given below. And the online registration of applications started from today onwards, that is 24th April 2021. And the last date for closing of online registration of application as well as the submission of online fees, both these two on 23rd May 2021. Okay, and the tentative dates for the computer based test is on June 2021. So before filling up the online registration form, you have to go through all the instructions very clearly, and the candidates has to fill the application form in English language only. Okay, and if you want to apply, then you just click on this apply, guys. Okay, and coming to the details of post and essential qualification. So the first one, post, that is junior manager. The scale is mentioned here, 50,000 to 1,60,000 rupees per month. And here the junior manager civil, the total 31 vacancies are there. And here the education qualification required is bachelor's degree in civil engineering from a recognized institute with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate. Okay. And next one is junior manager operations and BD. So here the total 77 vacancies are there. And the educational qualification required is 2 years MBA or PGDBA or PGDBM or PGDM in marketing, business operation or customer relation or finance from recognized institute with not less than 60% of marks in aggregate. And next one is a junior manager mechanical. The total 3 vacancies are there, and the educational qualification is bachelor's degree in the mechanical engineering or else electrical, mechatronics, automobile, okay, electronics and communication with 60% of marks in aggregate. Okay, and next post executive, executive scale, 30,000 to 1,20,000 rupees per month, and here the executive civil, 73 vacancies are there. Educational qualification is diploma, and executive electrical education qualification is diploma. Okay, total 42 vacancies are there. And coming to the executive signal and telecom, total 87 vacancies are there, and the educational qualification is diploma. And coming to the executive operations and BD, total 237 vacancies are there. So for this one, only graduation is required, guys, with not less than 60% in aggregate from a recognized university or institute. So for this post, total 237 vacancies under the executive, that is operations and BD. You might be any graduation, guys, any specialization it might be. If you are having greater than 60%, then you can apply to this one. So it is a wonderful opportunity, utilize this. And the next one is executive mechanical, 3 vacancies are there, and diploma in mechanical or their mentioned branches. And coming to the junior executive electrical, total 135 vacancies, and it is a junior executive post. 25,000 to 68,000 rupees per month is available. IDA pay scale it is, and here the education is matriculation with minimum 60% plus minimum 2-year duration course completed at apprenticeship. And the junior executive signal and telecom, okay, 147 vacancies, and almost the similar educational qualifications, guys, for all these things, okay, for the junior executive. and a few more important instructions are given here. So you please go through this one, because here the total 25 pages of notification is there. So that's why I just told you the important points. Okay, coming to the age limitations. Junior manager 18 to 27, executive 18 to 30, junior executive 18 to 30. Of course, based upon the caste category, the relaxation is also available. Let us check the relaxation. 5 years for SC, ST and 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer and 10 years for PWBD candidates. Okay, and the upper age limit is relaxable by 8 years for regular employee of DFCCIL. Okay, and a few more relaxations are there, so you may check down. So these are all the details, guys. So please once go through all these details, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, once go through the link, go to the description box and click on the link, then you will be directed to this advertisement, guys. And after reading each and everything, then if you want to apply, just click here to apply. Then it will be directed to the online application form link, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of permanent central government jobs with only graduation in any discipline. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to them. Okay, so please try to help them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide